I'm Lily Consuelo Saporta Tagiuri. I'm exhibiting a project called High Heat, Low Water, and it's tools to endure unsure climate futures. I started this project because I was scared. I was studying water scarcity, and I started this project and I was in California during one of the longest droughts in recent history. I started to look at freshwater sources and where fresh water was stored, and I learned that 3% of fresh water is stored in clouds. So I set out to understand how you could access water from them and if there were ways to control this as a resource. One of the tools is a compact kite that folds up, and you can take camping, or you could take sailing, or areas where there's high air moisture content but there's not any access to groundwater or there's polluted groundwater. This parachute structure can be used in multiple and be a water farm. So you could bring this into places that have failing infrastructures, and it's a lightweight, cheap, easy technology that you could set up almost immediately. The other device is a cloud seeder, which is for agrarian use. So it's the worst case scenario technology, and it would be applied to farms where individuals would have to negotiate with their neighbors and with local government, and sort of bring in people into this conversation that right now is not being voted upon. So it's bringing the conversation back to the scale of the individual and sort of imagining how we're going to have to negotiate these unsure climate futures. I think that creative unions is a way of saying, like, we're actually in this together, and we're all going to have to start to think of ways to respond to emerging political, environmental, or ecological, cultural themes on a global scale.